Sure, I can help you with that. Here's a YouTube video script comparing Ally and Capital One for auto financing, designed to be engaging and informative. Buying a car, whether it's your first or your 10th, is a big deal, right? And when it comes to financing that dream car, the options can feel endless and, let's be honest, a little overwhelming. You've got dealerships, banks, credit unions, and online lenders, each promising the best rates and easiest process. But what if you're looking at two of the biggest names in the game, Ally Financial and Capital One Auto Finance? How do you even begin to compare them, and more importantly, which one is the right fit for you? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what each lender brings to the table, helping you make an informed decision for your next vehicle purchase. Ally Financial, the online powerhouse. Ally Financial, once known as GMAC, General Motors Acceptance Corporation, has evolved into a leading digital financial services company. They're a big player in the auto financing world, offering a range of loan products for new, used, and even lease buyout vehicles. One of Ally's defining characteristics is its online-centric model, which often translates to streamlined processes and competitive rates. How Ally Auto Financing works. Unlike some traditional banks where you might apply directly, getting an Ally Auto loan for a new or used car typically happens through a participating dealership. This means you'll find the car you want at a dealer that partners with Ally, and then you'll apply for the loan right there. Ally also offers Ally Clear Lane, which is their online platform primarily for refinancing existing auto loans or buying out a lease. This direct-to-consumer option provides more flexibility for those looking to adjust their current car payments or finalize a leased vehicle purchase. Eligibility and requirements for Ally. So, what does it take to get an Ally Auto loan? Generally, Ally considers a wide range of credit profiles. While some sources indicate a minimum recommended credit score of around 520 for auto refinance and lease buyout loans, and around 620 for new and used car loans through dealerships, it's important to remember that rates and approval depend on various factors. Your income, debt-to-income ratio, and the vehicle itself, age, mileage, all play a role. For Ally Clear Lane, you'll typically need a monthly income of at least $2,000 and be at least 18 years old. The vehicle generally needs to be less than 10 model years old and have under 120,000 miles. They generally don't finance vehicles previously used as taxis or police cars. Interest rates and terms with Ally. Ally's interest rates, like any lender, will vary based on your creditworthiness, the loan term, and the type of vehicle. For auto refinancing and lease buyout loans through Ally Clear Lane, you might see estimated APRs ranging from 5.94% to 24.99%. For new and used car loans originated at dealerships, the rates can vary significantly. Loan terms typically range from 12 to 84 months, allowing for flexibility in your monthly payments. It's worth noting that Ally often doesn't charge prepayment penalties, which is a huge plus if you plan to pay off your loan early and save on interest. Pros of Ally Auto Financing. Thumbs up. Broad credit score acceptance. Ally is known for being more accommodating to a wider range of credit scores, potentially making it accessible to those with fair or even some subprime credit. Refinancing and lease buyout options. Their Ally Clear Lane platform makes it easy to refinance an existing loan or purchase your leased vehicle directly, often with competitive rates and online convenience. No prepayment penalties. This is a big advantage, as you won't be charged extra for paying off your loan ahead of schedule. Online account management. As a digital-first bank, Ally offers robust online tools and a mobile app for managing your loan, setting up auto pay, and tracking your FICO score. Gap insurance and extended repair coverage. Ally may offer the option to include gap insurance and extended repair coverage with your loan, providing added peace of mind. Cons of Ally Auto Financing. Thumbs down. Dealer-centric new/used loans. For new and used car purchases, you're limited to dealerships that partner with Ally, which might restrict your car shopping options. You can't directly apply for these loans online for pre-qualification. Limited transparency on dealer loan rates. Specific interest rates and comprehensive eligibility requirements for dealership-originated loans aren't always readily available online. requiring you to visit a dealer to get concrete offers. Online-only support. As a fully online bank, Ally doesn't have physical branches, which could be a drawback if you prefer in-person customer service. Customer service concerns. While some users praised Ally's US-based customer service agents, others have reported issues, particularly regarding communication and timely processing of certain requests like lien releases. Capital One Auto Finance, the user-friendly giant. Capital One is a household name in banking, and their auto finance division is equally prominent. They've made a name for themselves with their user-friendly online tools, particularly the Auto Navigator platform, which aims to simplify the car buying process from start to finish. How Capital One Auto Financing works. Capital One offers a direct-to-consumer approach through their Auto Navigator tool. This means you can get pre-qualified online for an auto loan with a soft credit check, which won't impact your credit score before you even step foot in a dealership. Once pre-qualified, you can then browse vehicles from participating dealerships within Capital One's network and see real monthly payment estimates based on your pre-qualification. This transparency can be incredibly helpful in budgeting and avoiding surprises at the dealership. They offer financing for both new and used vehicles, as well as refinancing options. Eligibility and requirements for Capital One. Capital One is generally known for being accessible to a broader range of credit scores, including those with fair or average credit. While there's no official minimum, many borrowers report success with credit scores as low as 580, and some even in the 540 to 580 range for used cars. For the best rates, aiming for a score above 660 is recommended. You'll typically need a minimum monthly income, often cited as $1,500 to $2,000, and must be at least 18 years old. The vehicle must be purchased from a partner dealership, and private party sales are generally not allowed. Vehicle restrictions include being less than 10 years old and for personal use only. Interest rates and terms with Capital One. Capital One's auto loan interest rates typically range from around 5.5% APR for new cars and 6.04% APR for used cars for 60-month terms, but these can fluctuate widely based on your credit score, the loan term, and market conditions. Refinance rates are also available. Loan terms usually range from 24 to 84 months. Capital One generally does not charge origination fees or prepayment penalties, which is a significant benefit. Pros of Capital One Auto Financing. Auto Navigator for pre-qualification. This is a major selling point. You can get pre-qualified online with a soft credit check, giving you real loan terms and estimated monthly payments before you visit a dealer. This empowers you to shop confidently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.